Hi, welcome to Games Card Breaks, and today we'll be opening a 2018 WWE NXT Hobby Box. It should have 10 autos. Sometimes you'll get more, just depending on the situation. But it's gonna be my first time opening it, so here we go. It should be 10 bucks, 10 packs. There should be an auto in every pack. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. Nada. Alright. Let's see how it goes. First pack. Pretty solid. First off, she's solid. Author of Pain, Vanessa Bourne, No Way Jose, autograph. Oh. No Way Jose. Not numbered. The Revivals, Bobby Roode, Pete Dunne. Cassius Ono, Bobby Roode, Hideo Itami, Tyler Bate, and Aliyah. Not numbered. Lacey Evans first, Andretti. Third pack. Let's do it like that. Buddy Murphy, Killian Dane, Shane Thorne, DIY, Bobby Roode, printing plate. Nice, 101. We'll see the auto first. Pete Dunne! Petey Dunne. Pretty solid. And the printing plate will be Cesar Bononi. #101. Nice. Pete Dunne's pretty solid though. I think it's 1, 2, 3. Oh, my bad. Andretti, Montez Ford, No Way Jose, Hideo Itami, Ciampa. Number 25, Ty Dillinger defeats Eric Young in the steel cage match. Not 25. Let's focus. We'll try to focus. Step back here. Oh, that sucks. Auto will be Kairi Sane. Nice. Is it numbered? Not numbered, but shoot, that's a solid ass. Solid auto. Let me sleeve that up. Next pack. Billy Kay, Bobby Fish, Cassius Ono out of 99. $71.99. Boom. Wesley Blake, Peyton Royce, and Ty Dillinger. 5 more left. We're halfway through the box. Dino. Pete Dunne. Gabriel Ely. Johnny Gargano. Nice. Johnny Gargano. Whatchamacallit too. I think we're doing pretty solid so far. Samoa Joe, Sanity, Bobby Roode. Ooh, hopefully we get her auto. Shayna Baszler, Tucker Knight, Drew McIntyre returns defeating Oni Oregon. Today he just won the Royal Rumble, so that's pretty cool. And Peyton Royce out of 50. Nice. Nice little auto there. Try to get it. Nice. Out of 50. That was a nice little pack right there. Bobby Roode, William Regal, Riddick Moss, Paul Ellering, Leo Rush, Lars Sullivan, big guy. 2 packs left. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Oh, this is a printing paper pull of Caesar Bononi. Where's it at? See? This is the yellow printing plate. Alexander Wolf. Sanity. Drew McIntyre out of 99. Wow. What a box, eh? Oh, double! Wesley Blake. Double auto. Ooh-wee. Bam. Drew McIntyre. Wesley Blake. Can't go wrong with that either. Let's leave up Drew. Last pack. No, the other 2 packs. Only, and no, let's not do it yet. Otis. Please be an Otis. I wouldn't mind having an Otis. Can I see his own out? ST. Shane Thorne. Not numbered. Mr. Thorne. Overall, solid box. I want to say these are probably the biggest hits. I mean, the Dunn's probably up there too. Peyton Royce ain't bad. Pete Dunne. I mean, I'm going to eventually sleeve it all, but... What a nice little fun box. So... Got 11 autos, 2 parallels. Can't go wrong. Drew's numbered. Everything else is base. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.